Okay, now we're starting section 3.4. We did the product rule for differentiation. Here's the product rule. It says if we have the product of two functions, f times g, and we want to take the derivative, we take it's equal to the first function, we're calling that f, times the derivative of the second, plus the derivative of the first function times the second. All right, in this example, we call the function f of x. So we're not really going to think of this as f and this as g. We'll just think of this as the first function and this the second one. All right, so let's find f prime of x. So we're going to do the first function times the derivative of the second function. Now, to take the derivative of the second, let's rewrite this as x to the 1/2. All right, the derivative of the second, that would be 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, that's to the minus 1/2, plus 0. Okay, so that's the derivative of the second function, plus the derivative of the first function, so that's 30x squared minus 3 plus 0. That's the derivative of the first function times the second. All right, so that's times the square root of x plus 532. Okay, and that's all there is to do there. So now you're ready to do question number 5. Okay, so copy this one down and do question 5 now. At this point, you can do question 6 as well. It's just another product rule. Just bear in mind that you're going to change the cube root of x to x to the 1/3. And 5 divided by the square root of x, that's 5 times x to the minus 1/2. All right, so you'll change these to powers, and then you'll do the product rule. In the next example, we want to know for which x values is the tangent line to f of x equal 3x plus 1 times x squared minus 4x. Actually, I want this to be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Let me change that to plus 4. Horizontal. All right, we want to know when is this horizontal. So what we're going to do is the tangent line is horizontal when the derivative is 0. So that's what we're asking. When is f prime of x equal to 0? So we'll just take f prime of x using the product rule, f prime of x. The derivative is the first, 3x plus 1. That's the first function. Times the derivative of the second. Here's the second. That's 2x minus 4. Plus the derivative of the first function. That's just 3 times the second function. X squared minus 4x plus 4. So that's f prime of x. And we want to know when is this equal to 0. So we're going to have to simplify this to figure that out. All right, so let's multiply this out. We're going to multiply out 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 4. We can factor out this 2. So we're going, if we do that, we have 3x plus 1 times x minus 2, and the 2 in front. See, the 2 factors out of this. So we'll multiply 3x plus 1 times x minus 2 with a 2 in front. So we have 2 times 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 plus, multiply this out, 3x squared minus 12x plus 12. Okay, let's keep going. Here we have 6x squared multiplying through by 2 minus 10x minus 4 plus 3x squared minus 12x plus, sorry, I wrote 3 times 4. That's plus 12 over here, plus 12. That's the 3 times the 4. All right, now first 6x squared and 3x squared, that's 9x squared. And now the x term, we have a minus 10x and a minus 12x, that's minus 22x. And now the constant term, we have a minus 4 and a plus 12. Okay, so that's a plus 8. All right, let's try to factor this, and this does factor. All right, we have 9x minus 4 and x minus 2. And you just check that middle term and you'll see you do get the minus 22x in the middle. That's minus 18x minus 4x. That's the minus 22x in the middle. Okay, so solving this, we get two values, two answers. And so we have 9x minus 4 equals 0. That's 9x equal to 4, or x is equal to 4/9. So that's one place where the tangent line is horizontal, or the derivative is 0. And we also have x equal 2. Okay, so we have two x values, two places where f prime equals 0, which means the tangent line is horizontal. Okay, so now you can do the last problem is number 7. So let's get that up here. Here's number 7, so you can copy that and go ahead and do the last problem now.